So in a free market economy, the most efficient producer wins and succeeds. What we're going to do is teach you how to be more efficient by applying robots to your problems in your factory. Based on my 40 years of experience in robots and the experience of my team here at ARC Specialties, what we're going to talk about today is how robots can affect your bottom line in your plant today. Robots are no longer a novelty. They're an essential part of industry. They're used for welding, painting, most of our assembly. They're used in outer space. They are used in surgery. They are now an essential part of our economy and the efficiency. What we're going to try to share with you today is a bit of the history of robots, the technology of robots, where they fit in, where they don't fit in, and we're going to talk about the future. This is Robotics in Business by MarketScale.